Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, let's take a look at gold for today. Before that, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. And if you are also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on that link to our Telegram and subscribe because there we'll be looking to take a trade on gold. So if you're a gold trader and you're interested in trading gold, then definitely you would want to be on the channel, on our Telegram channel. So if you don't have one yet, I would advise you to open and then follow us on Telegram. Now let's see this gold. We clearly can see that this gold is clearly still on an uptrend move, still bullish. And now if you take a look at what is still currently going on this Israel and Gaza war, the war is still going on. With that, there's still an uncertainty in the market. Then safe haven assets will continue to push up. And we all can see the example of this are safe haven assets. Gold is pushing up. So basically, gold will continue the movement to the upside. So we just have to do is wait for a pullback, then we will continue the movement to the upside. So gold will have to give the pullback, then it will continue the bullish move. So basically, if you are interested in more of this trade, then follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.